Guys, this is Anam from Delicious and DIY, and today I'm going to be showing you this fun way to paint your terracotta pots inspired by the Volkswagen car. So to start off painting the pots, first wipe off any excess dust or dirt on the terracotta pots. I first sketched out the design using a pencil and two circular shaped items. One should be like a medium size and the other should be like a bottle cap size. It really helps if you have the image in front of you. I just pulled up the Volkswagen image on my laptop while I traced out the design onto the pots. I used multi-surface paints to paint the terracotta pots, but you could also use acrylic paints or some sort of outdoor paints or patio paints. Outline the pots using a thinner, narrow paintbrush and then fill out that design using a flat brush or a fluffy round brush so that it quickly fills out the whole pattern. I just painted one side of the terracotta pots because realistically only when you place it outside, only one side of the pot will be showing, so there's no point in painting the entire pot in my opinion. The next step was to fill out the design. I used a beige paint color to paint the headlights of the Volkswagen inspired design, but you could also use like a white color or any color of your choice for that matter. Using the same beige paint color, I filled out the main circle as well. And then I went ahead and outlined the circle with the purple paint color, and after that I just had to paint on the V and W sign and the pots were finally complete. And here is how these terracotta pots look now. As always, I will list down all the materials and paint supplies that I used on this project down below. And if you guys like this project, be sure to subscribe and I will see you guys next week with another video. Bye guys.